What's the meaning of cede? Cede. Cede.
Cede. Cede. Cede means to give up or surrender something, usually territory, rights or power, to another party. The term is often used in the context of treaties, agreements, or negotiations between countries or political entities. When one party cedes something to another, they are essentially relinquishing control or ownership of that thing, and transferring it to someone else. This can have significant consequences, such as changing the balance of power, creating new alliances, or leading to territorial disputes. Overall, ceding can result in a shift of authority from one entity to another, with potential political, social, and economic implications.